Hello and welcome to Trigonometric Identity. So immediately pause the video and try and attemptly show that. So you need to consider the left-hand side and show that they equal the right-hand side. Go. Hello again. So let's go through the sec x minus cos x first. There's the answer in the white box, but it does need some explaining. So again, you might pause this and write down the solution. The first bit is pretty straightforward. You know sec x is 1 over cos x. You then need to put it over common denominator. We do that by realising that treating cos x is cos x over 1 and realising common denominator is cos x. Once we do that, that means cos x is equivalent to cos squared x over x. We get that fraction. Now, hopefully you realise 1 minus cos squared x is sine squared. So instead of writing 1 minus cos squared, we can write sine squared. So we have sine squared x over cos x. So I pose the question, what is sine squared x? What does it mean? Well done. It means sine x times sine x. So sine squared x is the same as sine x all squared, which is important because then we can think of it, we can think of sine squared x over cos x as this. What we in fact have is sine x over cos x times sine x over 1. Well, what is sine x over cos x? Well, it's in the green box there. Tan. Lo and behold, you have your answer. Yeah? Hopefully you got that one right. If not, jot down the steps. Now the second one, we need to, on the show that, we need to show the left-hand side equals right-hand side. So the left-hand side is a mess. The right-hand side is neat. So if you're stuck on what to do, you've got two choices. Expand the left-hand side or put the reciprocal functions in terms of the regular functions, because you know the answer is sine on its own. So if I look at the left-hand side, we know that those cosec's are 1 over sine. And we have a cot there, which is the reciprocal of tan, as I've already written. And bearing in mind tan is sine over cos, the reciprocal of sine over cos is cos over sine. So that's the first step. But also, then when we do cos times sine, hopefully you realise that that is also cot. So what we in fact have when we simplify, is this. We have 1 over sine minus cot plus cot minus cos squared over sine. Yeah, because the bit that's in the red dotty bracket is cos times 1 over sine, and cos times sine, cos over sine is cot. So we have a negative cot and a plus cot, which disappears. And then we notice we have that. We have 1 minus cos squared all over a common denominator of sine. So 1 over sine minus cos squared over sine is the same as sine squared over sine. Job done. Yeah, then that will cancel down.